Dr. Beasley's Matte Film Coating Kit is a super hydrophobic UV-resistant ceramic coating system for matte vinyl wraps and paint protection films like XPEL Stealth or SunTech PPF. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit you'll find a 1-ounce bottle of matte film coating, a 2-ounce bottle of matte film coating prep, a foam block applicator, and 2 suede cloths. Beyond that, all you'll need are several microfiber towels and some painter's tape. If your wrap or PPF is heavily contaminated, you'll also need Dr. Beasley's Film Cleanser. It's best to apply this coating in a well-ventilated, controlled environment, like a garage. Step 1. To start, tape off your headlights, badging, and any other non-vinyl surface. If necessary, clean your wrap or PPF with Dr. Beasley's Film Cleanser. Step 2. Spray the matte film coating prep onto a panel and wipe off with a clean, dry microfiber towel. This removes any excess residue and provides anchor points for bonding. Step 3. Wrap the suede cloth around the foam block applicator and apply 10 drops of matte film coating to the cloth in a straight line. Then, move the applicator in overlapping vertical lines down the panel. Once the panel is covered, go back and repeat with overlapping horizontal lines. Using this crosshatch pattern ensures full coverage. Step 4. Let the product sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then remove with a fresh microfiber towel. Step 5. Move to the next panel and repeat until your entire wrap or PPF is protected. Reapply several drops of matte film coating on your applicator after each panel. Step 6. After coating your wrap or PPF, leave it undisturbed for 1 hour. Full cure will take 24 to 48 hours. To keep your coating performing at a high level, apply Advanced Coat Matte every 3 months or as needed. This will reinforce the coating's durability and increase the level of hydrophobicity. Avoid washing your wrap or PPF for 7 days after application. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your matte vinyl wrap or PPF will resist fading, block stains, and bead off water.